Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today in this video, we'll show you how to increase voice chat volume in Roblox in Windows 11 PC so you can hear other players more clearly. Now let's get started. Step 1. First open Roblox. You will see Roblox's homepage. Choose any one game option. Check Roblox's in-game volume settings. Click the menu icon in the top left corner of the Roblox screen and select Settings. Scroll down to the volume slider and increase it because this controls the overall sound and directly affects voice chat volume inside Roblox. Step 2. Next, adjust the Windows 11 volume mixer for better control. Right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar and choose Open Volume Mixer. Find Roblox in the list of apps and move its slider up, which helps boost voice chat volume beyond the in-game limit. Step 3. Finally, keep in mind that Roblox uses proximity-based voice chat. Move closer to other players in the game because distance reduces how loud their voices sound. If needed, ask friends to check their microphone settings for clearer communication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.